If you've been using AI tools in 2026, you've probably noticed one huge debate everywhere online: Gemini Omni versus ChatGPT, because honestly, these are currently two of the biggest AI ecosystems competing right now. And a lot of people are asking which AI actually wins in 2026. So in this video, we'll compare Gemini, Omni, and ChatGPT, including creativity, accuracy, usability AI tools, and real-world experience. First, let's talk about Gemini Omni. Google has been pushing Gemini very aggressively in 2026, especially after integrating it into Android, Google Search, YouTube Workspace, and Chrome. And honestly, Google's biggest advantage is its ecosystem, because Gemini works closely with Gmail, Docs, Maps, Drive, and other Google services, which makes it very convenient for productivity now. Another huge advantage for Gemini Omni multimodal AI, because Google heavily focused on image generation, video, AI media editing, and real-time AI interactions. And honestly, Gemini Omni became especially interesting for creators and media workflows. Now let's talk about ChatGPT, because honestly, ChatGPT is still one of the most popular AI platforms in the world, especially for writing, brainstorming, coding, learning, and conversational AI. And one reason people still love ChatGPT is the conversation quality, because honestly, many users feel ChatGPT sounds smoother, more natural, and easier to interact with, especially for long conversations. Now let's talk about creativity, because this matters a lot for creators. Both AIs are very strong now, but honestly, many users still prefer ChatGPT for script storytelling, content ideas, and natural writing flow, while Gemini Omni often shines more with integrated Google tools, media generation, and ecosystem features. Now let's talk about accuracy, because honestly, both AIs still make mistakes sometimes, and this is very important. Neither AI should be blindly trusted for legal advice, medical decisions, or financial information without verification. Now, another interesting difference: live internet integration. Google naturally benefits from search real-time indexing and live information systems. And honestly, that gives Gemini certain advantages in connected Google workflows. Now let's talk about user experience, because honestly, this depends heavily on what you personally need. If you already live inside Gmail, Google Docs, Android, and Google Workspace, Gemini may feel much more connected to your daily life. But if you mostly want conversational AI creative writing, brainstorming, or coding help, many people still lean toward ChatGPT. Now let's talk about AI video and media tools, because honestly, this became one of the biggest trends in 2026. Gemini Omni is heavily focused on video generation, image editing, and multimodal AI creation. And honestly, Google is pushing very hard into AI-generated media. Meanwhile, ChatGPT is also evolving rapidly with image generation tools, memory, and AI assistance, especially through OpenAI's growing ecosystem. Now, another huge factor: speed and reliability, because honestly, AI tools sometimes go down, slow down, or limit features depending on subscriptions, and user experience can change very quickly between updates. Now, let's talk about pricing, because honestly, both companies now offer free versions, premium plans, and advanced AI subscriptions. And the best value depends on how often you use AI, what features you need, and whether you care more about productivity or creativity. Now, let's be honest for a second. There probably isn't one AI that completely destroys the other in every category, because honestly, both Gemini Omni and ChatGPT are becoming extremely powerful in different ways, and the winner really depends on your workflow, your devices, and what you personally use AI for. Most so, who actually wins in 2026? Honestly, if you want deep Google integration AI, Media tools and ecosystem convenience, Gemini Omni is very impressive. But if you want conversational quality creativity brainstorming and flexible AI assistance, many people still prefer ChatGPT because honestly, the AI race in 2026 is no longer about one tool doing everything. It's about which ecosystem fits your life better.